integration is about how one takes information from their body, from the environment, and thus uses that information to function effectively and efficiently in the environment. In the context of the children here at the Yaldenu School, what we know is that they're here because they're either not functioning efficiently or effectively in the environment. The typical functions we're expecting our children to have would fall into what I describe as 4 categories. Motor functions, which would include gross motor, fine motor, how they use their eyes, which is called ocular motor, and language in terms of articulation, the production of speech. An additional area that we would be concerned about would be cognition, how they learn, retain what they learn, and then respond to the environment in terms of production of their academic skills. Another area would be language, and that would include reception of language. So not only how they hear, but how they use what they hear, and also organize what they hear in terms of production of language. And finally, we look at an area called psychosocial emotional, which would include anything from a child giving eye contact all the way to being attentive, interactive, engaged, purposeful, part of their educational process, making friends, and being involved in their environment in a purposeful way, all the way up to how they feel about themselves. So we look at these 4 areas as the functional outcomes of what we're expecting our children to be able to perform in a typical school environment. And here we have it at the Yaldenu School. Our children are not able to perform these skills.